Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to duplicate a project here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Duplicating a project in Canva is a straightforward process that can be useful for various purposes, especially if you are working on a similar designs or need to maintain a consistency across multiple projects. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the home menu. That's going to be under the horizontal lines or the hamburger menu here on the home page. I want you to click on it. Basically, I want this design to be duplicated or replicated. All I have to do is, for example, if this is going to be the design, there's an option here, the three buttons. Click on it, and there's should be an option that says make a copy. All right. Now, after, of course, copying that, the duplicated project will appear in all your designs. Now, it'll have a section with the name copy of the design that you wanted. Copy of how to duplicate a project, or maybe if you copy this one, make a copy. Copy of how to animate, and of course from there just click on that. This will create an exact copy of your design that you can edit separately from the original designing. All right, so from here, of course, you can add more content. Say, for example, I'm going to add more video here on the side. Now, the idea is if you have a template or layout that works well, duplicating it allows you to keep the same format for new projects while only changing the specific content like images, text, or colors. Right? You see that? You can add multiple option here, and duplicating the design here in Canva is a powerful feature that helps users maintain quality, efficiency, and flexibility in their design projects. You don't have to start from scratch, and this can save you a lot of time when you need a similar design quickly. This is helpful because we are always creating a thumbnail for our G-Plats channel. What we do is normally duplicate the existing template. We use similar design for recurring process. And of course, we only update the content inside of it while keeping the overall structure and the style consistent. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.